Once again, welcome back your favorite YouTube channel, Talk Walk. And I hope you're all walking for your good health and you are talking with your parents. Both things are necessary for a stress-free life, yeah, and for a high-spirit life. So talk as much as you can, only with your parents, no someone else, and as much as you can walk early in the morning. So guys, today, uh, as last video I mentioned, I just decided to start one storytelling series. So just I'm on the way. So today, guys, first of all, I wanna just tell you about this story before just embarking. This story is gonna inspire you to do something in your life, guys. Forever, most of time, when we were child and now we make excuse, we make a lame excuse. Uh, I don't wake up early in the morning because park is not like nearby my home. I just don't want to learn this skill. I don't have money, and I'm unable to read book. I don't have money. I'm unable to educate myself. I don't have money, and I can't do some work. I am not good, just good. Like I don't have good physically I'm not good at physically, I'm not good at mentally, I'm not looking good. Many more things, guys. We make Linux too. I don't have a smartphone, I can't record a video. Yeah, I can't do many things in our life. Actually, guys, by our own thoughts, we make a nest and we just start living our life on once like a fool's paradise. We just create one fool's paradise and we start living there. But guys, can you think, just I wanna give you a situation where you are a blind. Suppose you are a blind for a day and you are handicapped for a day. Your two hands and legs you lost somewhere in any accident. You met any accident. What if? Can you survive here? Guys, we are mentally good. We are physically good. We are just good health. Each and everything we have. But guys, to make ourselves full, we figure out what kind of excuses we can give to ourselves to just keep on sleeping, keep on procrastinating, keep on wasting your life. I want to just tell you only one thing. These are only little excuses. You have also maybe listened this song, दुनिया में कितना गम है मेरा गम फिर भी कितना कम है. Literally, your all pain is less, only little, guys. Whoever pain, whoever success, I'm gonna narrate you before you all, in front of you all. Guys, there is one boy. Now he has become officer. He cracked, guys, India's toughest exam, UPSC. Guys, there are many among us. They have each and everything, but they never dare to see dream. But guys, that boy who lost his hand, who lost his leg, guys, he met an accident. He is blind, but still, you can't say him a blind. He is physically blind. He is mentally not blind, guys. He cracked. He dared to see the dream. He even not dare to see the dream. He dared to achieve the dream. He's a man of words. He's a man of parts, guys. We can't say he's a blind. He's a physically disabled. No one is here disabled until you perceive, until you embody in your mind. That name, guys, that Mr. that wonderful guy's personality, his name is Manu Garg. Maybe nowadays in social media, he is in a Vogue. So you also got, and you may know about his name, that personality, he cracked. So I wanna just deep down into, I wanna just give you a spark you desire. But just kick off your all little excuses. You have surrounded, you have besieged by those all, by your own self. Just give a kick and just get out from your your lame excuses traps. Yeah, it's not gonna be. just as easy as a walk in the park. But guys, nothing. If you keep on waiting, nothing you'll get a bolt from the blue. If you want to be an if you want to believe if you want to be a blue-eyed boy in your family, a blue-eyed boy in your society, for your parents, for your upcoming generation, you have to give a kick to all them excuses, which excuses are not letting you grow, are not letting you develop your mindset. It's all about mindset, guys. If suppose I can't just see the world, definitely I will scare off how I'll do my physical activity, how I'll do my just work, how I'll cross the road. But guys, he did. He dared. He's blind, but still, guys, he have explored the life. He has experience. And what about you? What about me? We have eyes, physically, mentally, each and everything. But do you think you have experienced the world? Not at all. You are blind. You have a blind. You are going to life a blind experience. But guys, a blind person can have a experience of world. So why not we? We should inspire. I'm not gonna just motivate you. I'm gonna inspire you. I wanna inspire you. Be inspirational. Be inspirational for someone else. And be energetic, full of spirits. God gifted life, guys. Don't never ever waste while making lame excuses. What if I studied in a well school so I would have a better career? If I had different parents, I would have a better life. If I got married, a better wife, so I would have a better family. These are all lame excuses. Try to just make it now a better life. You can start, you can amend your life from here right now. Guys, that boy, he was also normal like me and like you. We are all. He was living a life, better life like us. Once he when he completed his 12th, he decided just I have to I have to be breadwinner for my family. His father was a tailor, so guys, by somehow his father was earning hand to mouth. So he observed, like in his family, by this his father income is not enough to make and to just feed their family, their whole family. There were also three sisters, and to just get married, to marry, to get their sister married, it they need more than 10 lakh rupees. So guys, his father always cried. His father always cried in corner of the home. Who will take care? Who will look after you all guys when I'll pass? His father was ill. His father was suffering from world dangerous disease. Many more diabetes, BPs. His father was turning 55. And guys, that boy, Manu God, he was not intelligent student. He was average. He didn't have a self. He didn't have trust on himself. He can achieve something in his life. So that's why his parents, his mom and daddy, also not used to trust on him. He can achieve something in his life. But guys, when he saw his father face, his father was shivering. His father was just his father wanted to give him a better life. His father wanted to give him a better life than him. His father doesn't let his father didn't let him work as a trader. His father want to update himself. His father want to let his father wanted to let him explore the world. But guys, that boy, he didn't have belief on himself. He always just keep on and hang out himself with those bad company. They didn't have self belief. They love to play cricket. Everyone had a family planning, but no one had a future planning. But guys, he was also cut off same clothes. He didn't have a purpose of life, what I have to do. But guys, he decided now it's enough to be here, and I'm only just consuming. I'm only just like spending. I'm only just having the resource of my father. I'm just turning 22. What about my personality? What I have to do if further in my career? Then he decided. He asked question to himself. What I'm doing? What I'm doing? What I want to do? And what ought be done? And then he made up his mind. Not more. I'm gonna just squander my time with those guys. They don't have purpose. They are purposeless. My life will be just like a dry land. No one can just cultivate anything there. I wanna just change my life. Either my life will be just full of a struggle. Before my father, I can't fulfill his wishes. I can't fulfill his all wishes. My mom. What about my mom? Guess his father didn't ask a new clothes. His father earned money, and his father had only one wish to offer to fulfill all wishes of his children. And he used to fulfill this. Whenever Manu got asked any sort, anything, his father by somehow arranged and just offered him. So that's why Manu decided, not more. I'm gonna just be a burden on my family. I wanna just be breadwinner for my family. But guys, he he was an introvert. He didn't have a lot of courage to do something in his life just on his by by his own self, by his own effort. He started asking help. Hey, could you guide me? Could you help me to just find out? Could you help me to work somewhere else? But guys, hardly he got a job in a city, not out of state, in city. In Bihar, he got a job to work in a factory as a Amazon just delivery boy. He started working, but that post that not post guys, that work didn't resonate with his self. He was getting like, I'm just only just um, going through life. I'm not growing through life. Just by this way I can't fulfill my parents wishes. I can't accomplish my household needs. I can't get my sister married. Then he decided, now it's time to just go to big city, metropolitan city, and just try to earn much. And guys, he made up his mind to just come in Delhi, and he boarded, he boarded for Delhi. But guys, in mid, do you know what happened with him? One train collapsed, and he just he he met one accident. He lost two leg and two hand. Even he didn't know where he is laying. But when his eye opened, it's it's around 9 o'clock. He was in a AIMS hospital. And guys, when he was in a AIMS hospital, when he was admitted by local police, he didn't know what happened with him. He has lost his two hand and two leg. And guys, when he was trying to just uplift his hand and leg, he was unable to. Then it got to know him. Now he is physically disabled. He just came in Delhi to fulfill his parents' wishes. He came in Delhi to just be a winner for his family. But guys, now he realized he is gonna be just burden for his family. How? He was only a single just child in his family as a son. So it was his responsibility. How he can inform his family, mom and daddy, just I'm in AIMS hospital. He was unable to talk. He was unable to walk. Even guys, he was unable to see the world. And now, then he lost hope. He decided. He began to request to doctor, please inject me. I wanna just die. I don't wanna live more this life. But guys, then doctor try to inspire them. Hey, there are many like you. They have achieved many things in their life. You have to be also like that. And doctor also just offered him one podcast, and he listened. Guys, literally, it could just goosebump him. And he decided, not I'm just gonna for my higher education, and he started studying. He got admission in MA. He completed MA, PhD from Jawaharlal Nehru University. And guys, he has become. Then he decided to just I have to. So you can also yeah, Pablo.
So I told you my 7 o'clock, but you didn't respond.
You call me at
I think your number is not working.
my number.
Yeah. I called you at 7 o'clock to confirm whether you will come today by 8 o'clock or not. This number.
7 a.m. Just once more. 86. अरे ना यार 6206173.
This same is not working.
ये वाली है
आया बनाते नंबर 38 लास्ट कर देते जब वर्किंग नहीं यार दिन में लगा अच्छा हो जाता लगता है ये कैसे नंबर चलाते हो
मेरा वो पर्सनल फिक्स रहता है. So I'm talking to one boy
या
who lost his hand and leg. Yeah. And he met one accident when
Yeah.
he was coming in Delhi just to be a breadwinner for his family. But he mastered his courage and to just change his life. And he just cracked India's toughest exam, UPSC.
UPSC
And he has
Oh my
become
God.
an IAS officer.
So it was an inspiring story. Like one guy who just come Delhi to just be a breadwinner for his family. That's an amazing story, and it also shows the courage of that guy.
But when he bought it for Delhi, he had a different purpose. He
Oh
just,
my God! May I know which purpose he
to,
had?
just earn money, not to just crack the UPSC.
Okay.
But just he met one accident.
Hmm.
He just fell down into just under the train.
Okay. So I got to know that he changed his failure into success.
And then
So why is it happen? Most of the people unable to change their failure into success.
it's all about this mindset. Like they just bring their mind in a negative way. They depress. They start counting, not blessing. They start counting curse. I don't have good looking. Yeah. I don't have good personality. Even my friend has AC and I don't have AC.
Yeah.
They just little excuses they make. But what about that? Manu girl. Even he was unable to walk. He was unable to talk. He was unable to see the wall. But he cracked.
What is the reason of small excuses? Why do people make the excuses that irrelevant?
Yeah. It's matter of concern. Like we always try to escape this from responsibility, from challenges. We don't want to just face the fear. But until we face the fear, we can't be a real person.
Yeah.
Real intelligent like under you, your wisdom can't get out from inside you.
Like even though if suppose my exam is tomorrow, I know that if I don't study, I will get failed. My parents will be scolding me. Many things will be happen as a consequence. And I know the process that I have one day I can study. So even though the result can be positive as per my work, so why do I don't change myself?
Yeah, so actually, if you want to change the way you think,
Hmm.
so we can change by writing, by journaling.
Hmm.
You can count your strength, your achievement. Oh yeah, in ninth class, I was also in a same boat. I was getting scared, but I did. Then your mind remind you your courage. Like Jamwant recall,
Jamwant, yeah.
the Jamwant recall, Hanuman strength.
Yeah.
Same thing. If you have any mentor, teacher, you can just visit there. Otherwise, by your own self, you can be Jamwant for yourself.
Why people afraid to become their own mentor? Even they know the right process. Even they can be a greatest mentor for themselves. Like they know what they have to do and all that. So they can be a greater mentor. So why they are afraid to become a
Lack of
mentor?
courage, lack of courage. They always think, they always scratch their head about result. What if I try and get fail, society will make me fun of stuff.
One of his job.
They know each and everything.
So who is responsible? Society or himself?
Himself. We are responsible, not someone else. If I don't come yesterday, if I didn't come yesterday, I was responsible. No one saw me. No someone
Yeah,
else.
definitely.
I had choice to come or not.
Yeah.
We are responsible for everything. But we should be just grateful. We should be just thankful for everything we have. It's a good way to change our mindset, negative to positive.
Negative, positive.
It's not easy as walk in the park,
Hmm.
but still, by affirmation, by kindness, by politeness, by humility, we can change the mindset.
How can we learn humility and in compassion? Compassion toward others.
Yeah. If you have time like on Sunday and some any days, so you can be volunteer. You can visit orphanage, yeah, all days home, and you can just you can work as a volunteer free of cost. You don't need to donate something.
Yeah.
Then you will have a different self reflection. Yeah, you are doing something to just make this world better.
Bro, why it happening now this scenario? Like most of the people, they let their parents to the old age home. Like why? Even though they can nurture their parents, but still they don't want to live with their parents.
Yes, I'm concerned about in this context, so it could be possible like a financial problem. Expenses you can say everyone is looking. So their salary is not just as much as they can afford. But still, yeah, who nourishes you, who brought
But
you.
whoever nourished you, who gave birth, if you didn't the problem for them on that time, then how your parents become problem for their self?
Yeah, if you can nourish your child, your wife, so why not your mom and daddy?
Yeah, I have seen like some people, they send their parents to the old age home, even though they're financially strong.
Because could it be possible like when he or she was child, he was most of why they just drop. I mean they just left their child, mom and daddy, not girl. Yeah, girl they just went.
So what about those parents? If their parents knew already, then definitely they should send to the orphanage.
No, just this could it be possible? Like when just like we have to just take example of a boy, just for one. His mom and daddy just didn't give him time when he was child.
Mm.
Now he grew up, and now he just like went to his mom and daddy and just offered him like left him in our orphanage. Sorry, old age.
Old age home.
So who is responsible? Mom and daddy. Why they did not just spend time with him?
Yeah, that's the problem.
They were in an active life. They know who is Pawan, but they didn't understand who is Pawan.
Yeah,
Knowing
it
and,
could be the reason.
knowing and understanding is very different.
It could be the reason.
But if we talk about like this 5 and 10 years ago, at least 10 years, there wasn't such kind of active life, cat and mouse. Mom, daddy, they had time to spend with their child.
Actually, the work was decided according to their skill and according to their caste. Now they raise the voice of the casteism, these things. But on that time, I don't think so. Even they were busy in their own work. Like in Bihar, there is one god we call Hajma. He just he's a barber, so his duty, his entire family will follow the same duty. So even they don't think about that. What will I be employed or not? Because they know their work. But now these days, most of the people they are changing their work according to money and needs. So that's the reason become problem. Most of them are unemployed.
Yeah, I do agree. Even it is parents, they have time,
Hmm.
but still they don't give time. They just hang out themselves to watch IPL, to watch movie and something themselves. And child, they also just hang out themselves just to play Free Fire and PUBG.
Yeah.
And then they say there is generation gap. No, there is generation gap.
That's why most of the child like whoever in ninth or 10th class, they usually change the things that not good for them.
So parents, they must try to understand.
Yeah.
Not only just you are knowing, I'm knowing my child who, how does he behave. No, you must understand his behavior. Something like that.
Yeah.
It will help him to just grow on his own way, not someone else.
What we can learn from the hospital?
Hospital.
Hospital like what is the teaching? Usually given by universal teaching that we learn from the hospital.
Okay, medical treatment.
Medical treatment, the way they treat others, like what do you learn? Yeah, obviously you have visit to hospital many times.
I just observe one thing. Doctor, they never treat any patient based on disease.
Hmm.
They just only treat just whoever visit, Hindu, Muslim, any religion person.
Mhm.
So you can see, humanity. Their only
First humanity.
their religion is only humanity.
Hmm.
And second, in hospital, yeah, second you can just learn one thing. Life is too short. Everyone is in a trouble. So your life is 100 times better than rest of life. Yesterday I went in hospital. I saw there was only 9 year child. And you know was suffering from HIV.
Actually,
Yeah.
9 year child.
9 year.
Was he or me? He.
My heart went on. And there was also one doctor. He asked how he can be infected. Then his daddy was also. Then his daddy said, "Just I'm that person." Then say, "But still you are. So how he can be?" My heart went on. 9 year child. He doesn't know about the world. He doesn't know about the life.
I think HIV is spread through the food. No,
Not
through the
food, yeah.
By the blood.
By the blood.
But how is it possible?
Even they were all miserable. Those doctor and nurse, they were looking upset. 9 year, his life has been destroyed. What if it is when he will grow up? And
I think something happened with that girl. Maybe they did something. Otherwise, there is no chance. Like it is not the corona that is spread through the water and contact.
but his
It is
mom
spread
and
with the blood.
His mom and dad is responsible. Actually, he's 9 year old. He doesn't know anything about the world.
So what will do?
When he will grow up, definitely he will repay. He will get to know he's suffering world's dangerous disease.
9 years, it was so shocking. My heart skipped a beat when you said this. Like 9 years child, like even he's not understand what's going on with him.
So we need awareness, and everywhere in the life. But whenever we just visit the hospital, we get to know, yeah, world is literally just in a panic. We are far better. We are 100 times better than. We be kind. Yeah, everyone is injured, but not looking out, just external, but internally, everyone is injured.
Yeah, when we go to the hospital, we learn that health is the most important thing, more than money and all that. Even your money is useless, and I mean, if you don't have the good health.
Everyone is internally injured.
Hmm.
You should be talking kindly.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
we can also learn kindness and humility to the hospital because those people don't have that much time, so they treat you with a kindness and politeness. They become the modest guys at that time.
but our youth must get to know about these all things. They are just French paradise. They are living their life just only like open book. Anyone can live my life. Anyone can just do anything with me.
Now these days, people believe in show off. They just, try to show off. Even though if they need only two clothes, they purchase the four more.
Yeah, overconsumption.
Yeah.
Do you know why? Today just I got open my just Zapto app and I saw there was 500 cash. If I buy anything at cost of 500, I'll get free.
Yeah, you can imagine, like, even though there is no need of that thing, but you will get.
Yeah, definitely. At today cost, why not will I consume?
Definitely you will consume.
So that's why, like, just if you visit any river, hardly you will find just like a real condition. Young man, anywhere, in village nowadays, we consume and we throw in the river.
Right.
Who care about nature? Even if you just ask what to people, I will just clean the sky and you will get just breathable air. No one will cast you vote.
Yeah, if you give them the shelter, food, and employment,
Based on religion,
and if you just promote their religion, they will cast you.
they will cast you. So that's why I'm leader. They are not working for just nature. They are only for working religion and food. Not in
Even though
education.
if a politician don't send manifest like I will give you shelter and food, if you say that one line, I will promote your religion will be the supreme, then everyone just start casting vote to that guy, that politician.
Oh, yeah. They are narrow-minded. They
Yeah.
they don't think this openly. What if there wouldn't be clean air?
Yeah, bro. Even in your village, you will see that even though most of the people they have the if they don't have the packed house, but the temple is packed.
Yeah.
Even though their living condition is very poor, but they worship with a good thing to the priest. Like they donate money to the priest.
Yeah, they offer.
Hmm.
500. They just spend in worship 5,000, 10,000.
Yeah, you can also worship with the flowers and these things, but Pandit demand to pay money for their service, for his
Even
service.
last ceremony
Yeah.
in Bihar, more than 3 and 4 lakh is spent.
Yeah, bro. Even they, take the jewelry of the dead person.
I saw. Even someone, just I
They
saw.
also demand to, you have to just give them a cow.
Yeah,
The cow is 150,000, 60. It depends on the breed.
it doesn't make any sense. I saw Pandit, priest, who was comparing to that guy, and he sold his land
Hmm.
to just offer him jewelry, cow, and just feed them more than 500 people.
Mhm. It's usually happening, not in Bihar, everywhere else. Every place is same. It doesn't matter
But
whether he
in
lives
last
in.
ceremony in Bihar, I think they are not doing right way.
Yeah.
In Delhi, Haryana, they only just like smoking, just biri, just they buy one biri bundle, like just punch up, and everyone just it. Last ceremony has been completed.
Yeah, it's like,
At cost of themselves.
they have chosen the number 2100, 50. I think 51, 5100. I mean, they have chosen the specific number, and you have to give the money 2100. You don't have to give 200, 2000. Like they have the different perception.
Okay, so tomorrow we will meet with different story, inspirational story. So thank you. Just keep on having a smile and just grow. Never go through life.
Wow, very dangerous.